Hi, now we will discuss a few tips and tricks which will help you crack the SAT exam. Writing section requires you to decide if passages can be improved by making changes to the words, punctuation or sentence order. Read each passage aloud quietly to yourself and see if you can identify errors in grammar. The critical reading test includes both long and short reading passages. Skim each passage to see what's it about. Don't worry about the details. You can always look them up later if you need to. Just look for the main idea. Then tackle the questions that direct you to straight to answer by referring you to a specific line in the passage. If you have time afterwards, you can try solving the harder questions. Don't rush through each selection. Don't waste time, but make sure to review all the answers before selecting the best choice. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, types of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below. So if you value the content of a video, please like, share and comment to our channel.